Ciao, everyone. Looks like I'm hungry for some sugar cookies, or somebody in this house is hungry for some sugar cookies. What we have is 3 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, and then powdered sugar for rolling out the dough. What we're going to do first is sift the flour, baking powder, and the salt together. Beat the butter and sugar until it's nice and fluffy, and then add an egg and milk and until it's all incorporated. Add the flour and mix until it becomes a dough. Wrap it and refrigerate for 2 hours. All right, so flour your workspace with a little bit of powdered sugar and divide up your sugar cookie dough. Only use as much as you can at a time and put the rest in the refrigerator. Otherwise, it's going to get too warm and it's going to get too gooey. So divide it up and roll them out a chunk at a time, make your cookies, and then grab another chunk and go. All right, there's my cutouts of my sugar cookies. If they've gotten too soft while you were shaping them, put them back in the fridge. Let them cool off for like 10-15 minutes. But go ahead and throw it in the oven at 375 for 7 to 9 minutes. All right, here's all the sugar cookies, all decorated and complete. Enjoy.